What's going on, guys? It's Miles Bonds at Backyard Builds. Before I start this video, I need to let you guys know about this product that when I first read about it, seen it, interacted with the person, it really blew my mind to know that there is an 100% organic hair product out there that doesn't contain any chemicals at all, which means it's 100% natural. Shampoo, beard cleanser, hair butter for male and for female. So remember, it's 100% organic. You guys have to check this out. Stop settling for the chemicals that they put in the hair supplies in stores. And really guys, check this out. This right here is the serum. This is 100% organic. Tilt your head up, bro. All you gotta do is line it right in those spots. That's it. And this contributes to the growth of your hair and repairs the roots of your hair. Go ahead and tilt your head to the right, bro. And we're gonna do the same thing all around these parts. And then after that, I'm going to take my masculine finger and just massage right down. Boom. Look at this. Look at his hair after the use of this product. I just want y'all to check out his roots. Like, come on, guys. I'm telling you, no chemicals. 100% organic. Okay, now.
And for the baby?
And for the baby, so this right here is what I've been using. It's the butter. This is butter. And it's safe on children. Spin your hair. Spin around. Turn around. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looked like after using this product. Because it was not like this. Like, my hair is extremely curly. Like, I'm not going to lie to you. But I lost that curl. I'm going to tell y'all why I lost that curl. They selling chemicals in a laboratory, toxic chemicals that if you ate, you would get sick and die if eaten enough of it. And you putting that in your hair, you putting that on your hair. They selling you chemicals that if you ate, you would die. And you putting that on your skin. Stop doing that. Hey guys, how you doing? If you guys didn't know, right now I'm doing a whole store remodel, and this is just the electrical part. You just want to start off with checking it, and if it beeps red, that means it's going to take me up out of here. So we got a lot of wire right here. Dang, that's a lot of wire, but that's all right. You want to give it some leeway. We're gonna cut it right. We're gonna cut it right here. Boom. Now that we cut it right there, we're gonna get the adapters. It's easy. All you gotta do is break this in here. Boom. Put those holes in there. Break those. Break those, boom. This is gonna be one simple thing. All right, we're gonna run this through there, like you see. Boom, skiddly doo. Boom. The way these things are set up right here is once you screw it, it straightens out and fastens to the wall like that. It's like a screw, it's like a drywall, like, you feel me? So we're gonna put that in there. It's like we're gonna put that in there normally. This cord wanna be stupid, so we're gonna bend him so he can be more helpful on our behalf. So like I said, guys, we just gonna go ahead, go through this. Run that into there. Easy, easy, boom. And now that that's in there, our screws are in there. And what the heck is that? This box should be going up. There we go. I was like, what? Fasten it to the wall. See how tight it got? Tight it got? But that's not going nowhere. So now, guys, we want to grab our outlet and our, you feel me? We're gonna do this really quick. Go ahead and cut it back as far as you can. Nice and delicately. Get you guys up closer. Get you guys up closer so you can really see. Peel it back. It's like, nah, I'm just playing with you. I got problems. Like, once I did that, I literally thought I was getting electrocuted. That's crazy, for real, for real. I'm okay, so what I like to do, just remember that black and yellow, so black goes with yellow. We don't need all that wire, so we're just gonna cut it like, I like to say like 2 inches off of the wall. So we're gonna cut it right there, 2 inches off the wall. So I'm really a carpenter, so it's like I didn't have to just be that precise with it. But once you're a finished carpenter, everything has to be like 100%. It's a little problem that I got with stuff. Then you want to cut it about 5/8 of an inch, a little bit over a half. Boom. Take this. Remember, black and yellow. It's already loose. See this right here? You put it right in that slither. See when I flip it over, you see that? And when you screw it, that thing right there squeezes onto the wire. Okay, so boom. You squeeze it right there. But you see how it's showing that little bit of copper right there? You don't want to see that. Like that scares me. And I'm really a perfectionist. Like when I walk away from here, I'll say to myself, what if the place catches on fire? So it's like, I have to get everything like perfect. I don't want to see no copper. Get extra tight with that. You don't want no shorts. Same thing with this one right here, guys. You just fixture it. You can mark it with your thumb. You really don't got to be this precise with it. Again, I told you guys I have a problem. What the? My fault. That was my that was my that was my wire tester. I thought my wire tester was like, get away. That definitely scared me. That definitely scared me. Like, I was genuinely scared. Y'all caught me genuinely scared. Okay, guys, same thing. Again, I don't like seeing that little bit of copper. The ground wire might just bump into it. Even though that won't do nothing anyway because they're connected. So, but still, guys, I just don't like seeing any copper. And then you gotta go ahead and finish that. There's nothing there, but go ahead and screw those in anyway. Do that and boom, pull it down. Same thing at the top. Oh dang, my hands is in the way. My hands is in the way the whole time. it couldn't be. It couldn't be. It couldn't be. It couldn't have been in the way the whole time. All right, guys, now you got this thing right here. My fault, I keep saying thing. This is the ground wire. Go ahead and wrap that around there like a doll. And then right where that excess is, take this off. You know, remember where that cut is at. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but hook that thing around it. If you're a perfectionist like me, you want it snug, pull. Nice and tight. And then just screw it up. Boom, get it nice tight. And then now, guys, you just, let me open that up more. Okay. Put that right there. Put that right there, guys. Screw it. Other side. Other side. That doesn't look that straight to me. And I like everything good and straight. Now that looks straight. Boom. Now you get this. Go from here. Put that on there. Come on, man. What the hell is, how do I lose, like, everything? Then you go. Boop. That's gonna get plastered over, sanded. But yeah, guys, that's all you do. Thanks for watching.